Feel like your TikTok feed needs a reboot? Deleting your watch history is the perfect way to reset and discover something new. Let's get started. But first, don't forget to save this video. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to delete TikTok watch history. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Open the TikTok app and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Ready? Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Think of this as your TikTok command center. It's where the magic happens. Now tap the three-line icon at the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. This menu is your gateway to managing your TikTok experience. Scroll through the option until you find the Activity Center under the Content Display section. You will see the watch history. Furthermore, click on it. Tap the Select in the top right corner of the watch history page. Select the videos you want to remove and tap Delete. Confirm the action by tapping on Delete. And just like that, your history is gone. So this is how to delete TikTok watch history. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.